guys, welcome back to QuickThyme. This week I'm going to show you how to make some white rice. As you can see, I'm going to add 2 cups of rice to a saucepan. So I went ahead and filled my pot up with some water, and as you can see it's a little bit cloudy. That's just the starch coming off the rice. So I'm just going to take it over to the sink and drain it off, and this is going to help your rice not be so mushy and sticky. I like to use the 2-to-1 ratio whenever I make white rice. So with 2 cups of rice, I add 4 cups of water. And with brown rice, I use the 3-to-1 ratio. So with 2 cups of brown rice, I add 5 cups of water, and it should be perfect. So over medium heat, you're going to put the lid on and set it a little bit off to the side, and you're going to bring it up to a boil for the next 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of cooking, I'm going to take the lid off completely, and I'm going to continue to let the rice cook until it's fully cooked down and the water is completely absorbed. Now that the water is cooked down, I'm going to cover it up with the lid. I'm going to turn the heat off, and I'm going to let it sit for 5 minutes. So now just grab a fork and begin fluffing up your rice, and you can serve it up any way you want. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and sharing is caring. And I'll see you next time on QuickThyme.